In this video, I'll be sharing with you how to read your tape very easily. So no matter how much you've tried to learn it before, with this very step, you'll be able to learn it. This is Lolly's Bag YouTube channel. Here we make the process of bag making very easy. So tape reading is a very crucial part of bag making, as most times we use tape as a means of measurement. So let's get started. This is our sewing tape. The tape I use is stop at 60 inches, but this remaining part is 2 inches, so we can say the tape is 60. So this is our tape. Please, I want you to follow me carefully. It's very easy. This long line you see is 1 inch. So from this point to this point is 1 inch. From this point to this point is 1 inch. From this point to this point is 1 inch. So that is how it is throughout your tape. Hope you understand that. You see this other line that is long, but not as long as the first one, is ½ inch. This line is ½ inch, ½ inch, ½ inch, ½ inch, ½ inch, ½ inch, and so on. Remember, I said this longer one is 1 inch, 1 inch, and this one that is long but not as long as this first line is ½ inch. I hope you understand. ½ inch. All right, let's continue. So you see this other line again, that is not as long as this. I hope you get what I'm saying. Please, if you don't understand anything, let me know in the comment section. This line is not as long as this one. It's called quarter. So we notice that we have one before one and another after one. So this one is quarter and this one is 3/4. Let me come again. The first one is quarter and the second one is 3/4. So let me come again. This is half, this is quarter, 1 3/4. Half, quarter, 1 3/4. Half, quarter, 1 3/4. I hope you understand that. So now let's go to the shortest line. So this shortest line is a line. A line. So this is half, half and a line, quarter, quarter and a line, 1, 1 and a line, 1 and quarter, 1 and quarter and a line, 1 and half, 1 and half and a line, 1 3/4, 1 3/4 and a line, 2, 2 and a line, 2 and quarter, 2 and quarter and a line, 2 and half, 2 and half and a line, 2 3/4, 2 3/4 and a line, 3, 3 and a line, 3 and quarter, 3 and quarter and a line, 3 and half, 3 and half and a line, 3 3/4, 3 3/4 and a line, 4. I hope you understand what I'm saying. So it's very easy, very, very easy. Please, if you have any question, let me know in the comment section. If this video is helpful, give me a thumbs up, share, and most importantly, subscribe so you can get helpful videos like this one. See you in my next video.